for joining us here this morning. Lots that's lined up, but let's begin with top focus. Big news: chaos at the Delhi Assembly has already erupted ahead of the tabling of the CAG reports. Let's tell you, former Delhi CM Atishi claims that AAP MLAs are not being allowed to enter the Vidhan Sabha. In fact, Chief Minister Rekha Gupta has also arrived at the Assembly a short while ago, and we're already looking at drama that has ensued. Kritika Tiwari, my colleague, joins me for more. Kritika, before I come to you, let's listen into what Atishi has to say.
पुलिस अफसर हैं वो ये बता रहे हैं कि दिल्ली विधानसभा परिसर से आम आदमी पार्टी के विधायकों को बैन कर दिया गया है। वो कह रहे हैं कि उनके पास स्पीकर साहब से आदेश आए हैं कि आम आदमी पार्टी के विधायकों को दिल्ली विधानसभा के गेट पर ही रोक लिया जाए। विधानसभा के सदन में एंट्री नहीं अलाउ होती है अगर आप सस्पेंड होते हैं, लेकिन विधानसभा के मेन गेट से 50 मीटर दूर पुलिस के बैरिकेड लगा के रोकना, ये तो दिल्ली विधानसभा छोड़िए, पूरे देश के विधानसभाओं के इतिहास में कभी नहीं हुआ होगा कि एक चुने हुए विधायक को रोका गया।
Kritika Tiwari joins me over the phone lines. Kritika, this was unexpected lines in terms of a drama ensuing, because this is essentially what we've been looking at least in the past 2 days, that is. But with Atishi's statement of the fact that she's hit out now, alleging that they weren't allowed to be entering the assembly, what are we picking up at the moment?
Well, Nivedna, Atishi is repeatedly showing us the orders which entails how 21 MLAs of the Aam Aadmi Party have been suspended for 3 days. However, she's still asking the police officials for any written order that has come in from the speaker or from the secretary of the Vidhan Sabha, which would, however, expand on why have the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs been physically restricted from entering the premises. Atishi has been saying that this is the first time an elected representative, in fact, is being stopped from entering the Vidhan Sabha premises itself. The Vidhan Sabha also has the LOP office, that is where their documentation takes place, the procedure of a leader of opposition takes place. All of that is being purchased. Barricades, layers of barricades have been set up here right towards the entry of the Vidhan Sabha, and all of their motorcade of every Aam Aadmi Party MLA has been stopped much ahead of the barricades itself. As of now, the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs, along with LOP Atishi, are sitting down on a dharna right ahead of this barricade. Repeatedly, they're asking for communication from the police officials, clarity on the same, but none has been received so far. So we're seeing this, what Atishi is also saying, first time ever that elected MLAs are being restricted from the premises of the Vidhan Sabha. Now this, yes, as you were saying, drama was expected to happen today, but the fact that entry itself has been curtailed is something that was not expected by either of the MLAs here. We'll yet to hear what the Bharatiya Janata Party has to say about it, what the Speaker has to say about it. But as of now, even the media is right here outside the Vidhan Sabha premises, behind the barricades, along with the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs. Over to you, Nivedna.
Right, Kritika, thank you for getting us the latest as far as that is concerned. We'll, of course,